Ever wondered which OpenSUSE Linux edition is right for you? In fact, OpenSUSE is not just a single OS, it's a whole family of Linux distributions, including Leap, Tumbleweed, MicroOS, slowroll, Kalpa, and Aeon. Each one offers something unique, from rock-solid stability to cutting-edge innovation and everything in between. In this series, we explore each part of the OpenSUSE ecosystem so you can find your perfect fit. In today's episode, we are focusing on OpenSUSE Leap, a rock-solid stable release. We will show you what sets Leap apart and how to get the most out of it. Get ready for an energetic educational ride into OpenSUSE Leap. Let's dive in. OpenSUSE Leap is the long-term support LTS style edition of OpenSUSE. It's all about stability and reliability. Leap is built from the SUSE Linux Enterprise source code, meaning it shares a core with SUSE's enterprise-grade distro. This gives Leap rock-solid stability unmatched by most other Linux distros. It's business-friendly and great for anyone who needs a dependable system that doesn't change too often. For example, if you are running a server, doing office work, or just prefer to avoid surprises from updates, Leap is ideal. It has long support life cycles, around 18 months per minor release, with security patches so you can set it up and know it will be supported for a good while. Leap is perfect for business users, IT professionals, and everyday users who prioritize stability. Because it's aligned with the enterprise version, companies can use Leap on workstations or servers and even smoothly transition to a supported SLE or SUSE Linux Enterprise environment if needed. It's also friendly for Linux beginners who want a install and don't worry system. Think of a small business running an invoicing server or a developer with a mission-critical workstation. They cannot afford random packages. They might install Leap 15.6 for instance and stick with it for a couple of years, getting security updates but no drastic changes in software versions. Everything is from top to bottom tested and dependable. Leap's stability comes from that SUSE Linux Enterprise backbone, maintained by SUSE engineers, combined with community contributions. In short, Leap is like the comfy, reliable sedan of Linux distros. Not the flashiest, but extremely reliable and predictable. Leap's big benefit is stability, because it uses older, well-tested versions of software. You encounter fewer bugs. It's kind of like an LTS long-term support release of Ubuntu or Debian stable. Also, being tied to SUSE Linux Enterprise means it benefits from enterprise-level bug fixes and security updates. You get enterprise stability for free. Plus, OpenSUSE's tools like Yoast, the system setup tool, and Zypper, the package manager, shine here. They make managing a Leap system straightforward. Yoast provides a centralized user-friendly control panel for everything from installing software to partitioning drives. And since Leap doesn't change often, once you have configured your system, you can rely on it to stay consistent. I hope you enjoyed exploring OpenSUSE Leap with me. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more Linux content. I would also love to hear your experiences or thoughts on OpenSUSE Leap. Have you tried it yet, or are you planning to? Let me know in the comments below. Remember, OpenSUSE Leap is just one flavor of the OpenSUSE family. There is a whole world of OpenSUSE to explore, from rock-solid stable releases to cutting-edge ruling versions and even specialized editions. If you are curious about the other OpenSUSE editions, don't miss the rest of this series. Each one has its own story, but today Leap was the star, and it certainly has a lot to offer. Thank you so much for watching, keep exploring, and I will see you in the next video.